Are you writing Cypress Cucumber scenarios and finding yourself repeating the same steps before each one? Hi, I'm Dane and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to save time, reduce repetition, and achieve clearer scenarios using the background syntax. If you're interested in interacting with me live or have any questions to ask, please watch to the end and I'll show you where to find me. So, why the background syntax? The background syntax allows us to run as many steps as we want before every scenario inside a file. So we can bundle up a group of steps and have them set up any of the setup that we need in our test and have it run right at the beginning. So here I am on the Cypress Cucumber preprocessor GitHub page, and we're going to go down to the table of contents, and we can see that there is background section here. So we'll click that, and the background section is pretty straightforward. You have a background and a colon at the start, and then you insert all of your steps that you want to run before or at the beginning of every scenario. So I will link the Cypress Cucumber preprocessor docs in the description below, so you can go and find that when you need to. On the left hand side, I have some example tests. These are examples from the Learn Cypress Cucumber series, which is running tests on the To-Do MVC application. This feature is the filter feature, and we have 1, 2, 3 scenarios in this file, and they all have the same 2 steps at the beginning. Given I have the following to-dos, and then title and completed, and these to-dos are exactly the same for each scenario. Then the second step is, and I navigate to the home page. Given I have the following to-dos, and I navigate to the home page. Given I have the following to-dos, and I navigate to the home page. And so we can see that's repeated. Let's run the tests. So npm run sciopen, and we'll see that the tests are currently passing. Click on filters. And if you have any other ideas about how you deal with these kinds of scenarios, feel free to let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. So our 3 tests, our 3 scenarios are all passing right now. So that's great. We can stop Cypress. Let's make the change to use the background section. So at the top under feature, we put background, and then we put the repeated steps inside that block. So I'm going to cut them out of this scenario and drop them in here. And we will then clean up the rest. So this one doesn't need those 2 repeated steps anymore, and this one doesn't need those 2 repeated steps anymore. So now we have much less code. The first 2 steps are defined once at the top, and we can basically, by defining them as a background, we're reusing them. Let's save that. And we will open up Cypress again. If you're enjoying or finding this info valuable, please consider pressing the thumbs up button to let YouTube know that you like this video and to promote it to everyone else. We should see that they still pass. And they do. And there we go. We have used the background section syntax to clean up our duplicated code. And if we had written it this way from the beginning, it would have been a lot faster. And we can clearly indicate the intent that these two steps happen before all of the scenarios in this file, and that these scenarios are linked together by A, being in this file, and also being run after this specific setup. If you want to know when I next post a video, please hit the subscribe button. I stream software development on Twitch, so head on over to twitch.tv/Dane Harnett, drop a follow, and ask questions next time I'm live. I tweet dumb puns and dev stuff at twitter.com/Dane Harnett. Thanks for watching, and see you later.